Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so much excited today. Ever since I've started my YouTube journey, this is my first food vlog or first food video which I'm going to create, and the day seems to be very lazy. I did not just feel like getting up in the morning. It's been raining from past 4 days and we plan to go outside for lunch, and now that we plan to go outside for lunch, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and we decided to have some kind of light breakfast in the morning. So today I'll be preparing and I'll be showing you guys how I prepare my veg cheese sandwich recipe, and this is very light and simple recipe which I'm going to show you guys. So let's get started. So I'm going to prepare veg cheese sandwich for our breakfast. I will be taking brown bread. You can take sandwich bread, you can take white bread, you can take whole wheat bread, you can take any bread of your choice. So I will be taking 4 pieces of bread for me and for my husband, and that's it. So I'm taking 4 pieces of bread where I can prepare 2 sandwiches. I have taken sliced onions, cucumber, tomato, butter and cheese. Well, I have taken all these veggies, whatever veggies you want, like you can take corn, you can take capsicum, any vegetables of your choice. So now I'm lighting up the stove and I have taken non-stick pan. It's better always, it's advisable to take non-stick pan because it does not get burnt at the bottom. So I prefer to use a non-stick cookware, and I'm taking a small piece of butter, and I'll wait till the butter gets melted. So here the butter gets melted completely, and I will fry 2 pieces of bread first. I'll wait for some time till the bread actually changes its color. I'm using my hand because I'm so much comfortable with my hand instead of this spatula. So now the bread has slightly turned its color, and I think this should be okay because I will not make it very crunchy at the starting. So now you can see the bread has actually turned its color and it has turned into light brownish color. Now I'll just remove it from the pan and set aside. I will add another 2 pieces of bread which is there in the same procedure as I've added butter, and I'll wait till the butter gets melted completely, and I will take 2 pieces of bread and I will roast it. So yeah, I'll again wait for some time till the bread turns its color. Now another piece of bread is also done, so I will remove these pieces as well from the cookware. So I've added cheese, I've added lots of cheese actually, and I've also added salt and some pepper on top of it, and now the stuffing is actually ready, and now I have to fry the sandwich. So I have covered it, and now I will add small quantity of butter to it on the cookware again. Now I'm adding small quantity of butter again, and I'll wait till the butter gets melted completely. So yeah, the butter is getting melted. So I'm putting the sandwich on the cookware, and I will allow it to get cooked for at least 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. I will cover the lid now. So it's 2 minutes now, and I will turn it to the other side as well. Again, I'm very comfortable with one of my hand, and I will cover the lid again, and I will wait till the other side gets cooked completely and the cheese gets melted. So let me just check once if it's done or not. Yes, the 2 minutes over and the cheese has got completely melted and the color has already changed, and this has become very crunchy as well. So my sandwich is ready, my breakfast is ready. So in the same way I prepare the second piece of sandwich as well. I will off the stove now and my sandwich is ready. So here comes my veg cheese sandwich recipe. I will prepare the other piece of sandwich exactly the same way. So this is what I eat for my breakfast in a lazy day morning, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you would like to see such kind of videos in the future, do comment in the comment section below. I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching. Bye.